Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. This is our seventh video in a series of videos related to the art of division. And today we're going to divide a decimal number by a decimal number. And we have right here 1 and 452 hundredths divided by 6/10, or we're just going to say 1.452 divided by 0.6, in which we have here. And we're going to follow three steps in order to solve this problem. And the first thing we're going to do is just simply write it down. And that's what we did right here in step one, in which we have 1.452 as the dividend. The dividend is always inside the division box, and 0.6 is the divisor. And we wrote it down, and in step two, we're going to move the decimal point over. And so in this case, we're only going to move it one place over because that's as far as we can go. And so we're going to move the divisor, the decimal point in the divisor, one place over to the right. And we're going to do the same exact thing to the dividend by moving that decimal one place over to the right. And in step three, now we have 14.52 divided by 6. Now we can move the decimal straight up and it's going to stay there. But before we work out this problem, let us count by the divisor, in which we have over here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and these numbers will help us solve our problem, in which we have 14.52 divided by 6. And as you can see, 6 cannot go into 1, but it can go into 14. Well, how many times? 2 times, because we know that 6 times 2 will give us 12, and 12 is in the second position in our parking lot. And so now we have 14 minus 12, which will give us 2. A 6 cannot squeeze into a 2, so we're going to have to bring down the 5 to help out the 2 to turn it into a 25. And we know that 6 can go into 25 4 times, because 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 happens to be in the fourth position in our parking lot. 25 minus 24 will give us 1. 6 cannot go into a 1, so we're just going to bring this 2 down and turn the 1 into a 12. Now we know that 6 times 2 will give us 12, because 12 is in the second position, and 12 minus 12 will give us 0, which leaves us with an answer of 2.42, or 2 and 42 hundredths. This is a good time to kind of take in the information, and you could do that by pausing the video or replaying the video as many times you need to gain a deeper and more confident understanding of what it means to divide a decimal by a decimal, still counting by the divisor as we see right here. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.